Making blue crabs is fun and easy. If you want to have a crab boil, you can add all sorts of things. I'm keeping it simple tonight. I have about 4 pounds of blue crab here, beautiful blue crab, all cleaned up. So you want to add your water in here. Come check out how much water is in here. So think about your pot. The size pot you have, we got the beautiful Le Creuset. It's my crab boil pot. I have this rack that I lay down inside there for when I steam things. So all we want to do is we want to add an equal amount of distilled white vinegar or beer, whichever your preference is. I'm going to use the white vinegar today, to water, equal amounts. So come on in, and we want it to lay just under where this is going to sit. So if you look at your screws and your stand, how much that is, that right there is about 1 inch of space directly underneath our rack. So we add a 1/2 inch of water, 1/2 inch of distilled white vinegar, whatever that equals out to, equal parts, a little bit more, just like that, and let that heat come right up. Okay, now we know we have it on high heat. That's going to come right back up, but I wanted to demonstrate that for you and have the water boiling already. Going ahead at this point, put in your rack. You see the water level is just beneath that rack, and so now we start to layer our crabs. Doing a mixture of some Old Bay, some garlic, and a little Cajun, a little that Cajun pepper. Okay. Don't be cheap with the seasoning. Get after it. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Just get in there and get after it. And I'm not going crazy with this cayenne, but I like a little something. So I'm just gonna mix that on every layer. We're just gonna mix a little bit, and we're going ahead and add more. And so we do this, we season and do layers inside the pot rather than just do it right here on the sheet tray, because all those seasonings are inside the pot instead of left over on the tray. Everything, every little bit of beautiful goodness you put into here is going to stay in here, and that's what we're after. And because everything's on that rack, when we pull it out, it'll be beautiful and delicious, just like that. Here we go again. Beautiful Old Bay, garlic, yes. Cayenne, yes, beautiful, and right back in. So you can do your crabs whole. Some people like it clean like this. These are already clean. They're good to go for the family. You see this bad boy right here, so you can get you a good. So if you see this bad boy right here, you just pop off that upper shell, rinse it out, clean out all the little fat, all the little insides and everything like that. You're taking away all their lungs, all that other stuff inside there, and now all that there's left besides the shell is just good quality meat. There'll be nice beautiful clusters inside there. You wait and see. You do beer or vinegar. I do beer or vinegar sometimes. Depends on how I feel. I don't have any beer. Today I have Sailor Jerry, and we're not pouring that in there. Just a little bit of rum and coke on a crab night. Oh yeah. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, got the rest of that cayenne pepper right over the top. All right, just like that. Okay, come on in here and see that beautiful, beautiful steaming pot crab. Okay, everything's coming to a boil. Gotta come over here, cover this bad boy up right now. Okay, I'm gonna slightly reduce that heat just so it steams. Okay, it was up on super high. Okay, we just want this to steam. And so it's just below a 6 hot, but not crazy hot. And so that's gonna boil, that's gonna steam. We're gonna give that about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna set my first timer for 20 minutes. And once that goes off, we'll come back and check. If it needs a little bit longer, the way that we know that it's done is the color. We're looking for that bright orange, almost red. That tells us it's time to go. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's our 20-minute check. Let's see what we have. Nice and easy. Watch that steam and lift that up. Try not to fog up the camera for you guys. You can see this beautiful deliciousness. All right, so we're almost there. The color's a little bit light, but almost there. It's at 20 minutes. This takes 20 to 30 minutes. It's about 4 pounds of blue crab. I'm gonna cover it back up. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. The final countdown, just a few seconds. Got that beautiful Kerrygold. Look at that beautiful Kerrygold salted butter. If y'all don't know about Kerrygold, if you're butter lovers, you want some beautiful butter that comes from a great source, this Kerrygold Irish butter is beautiful and amazing. Can't even say enough. We're melting this down right now. We're gonna add a little bit of this lemon, some of our lemon juice to it. We're gonna make a beautiful lemon butter to go with our crab. But let's go on ahead and let's see what we have. Let's see what we got. And you want to steam, you have something like this. If you guys don't know about Le Creuset, I've been demoing a lot of their products. I recommend you guys try them. Outstanding cookware, enameled, deep pots like this, easy to clean. Really, that's what it's about. Not only do they equally conduct heat, cook evenly, but the cleanup makes your life that much easier. So, let us see here. Oh yeah, turn that bad boy down. Okay. So a little bit of our lemon juice here. Okay. Should be plenty. Just let that come together. Just come together. I like to put that lemon juice right in there while it's still on the burner, because it's going to cool it down just a little bit, so we can just heat it right back up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful crab, huh? Oh yeah, babe. There is our beautiful crab. That's the color we're looking for. That's what we're looking for, just like that. It's the finished product. Just going ahead and fish these puppies out. The crab boil, or you can steam them. This way, when you steam them like this, and you layer them down there, and you season them as you layer them, you notice the seasoning's on there. Everybody says, oh, you know, you boil crabs, and you put the seasoning in there, and then you pull them out, and then you crack the shell, and you don't hardly get any of the flavor. That is true. But this way, as you can see, you will. The flavor's still on there. Everything's still on there. Everything's still in there. It's not being washed away by water. It's not just being infused by your boiling water. It's right there on the crab. Oh man. Yes. Beautiful bowl of crab right there. And beautiful bowl of crab, baby. Oh, yeah. Stragglers here. String just folds up just like that. All right. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful crab. I'm gonna sit here. Let's go on ahead, take our butter. Okay. And what I tell you, say it in every video, cast iron skillets are hot. Be careful. Go on ahead and get your glove on. Don't even play around with that. It's not worth the skin on your fingers. Don't be a tough guy or a tough girl. Don't even do it. Put your beautiful butter in there. Yes, absolutely. Mix it up right here. Taste it a little bit, just make sure it's right for you. Okay. All right, tighten that up. All right. Grew up watching Emeril Lagasse cooking, and part of my start and all this, a little history on me. And what I love about Emeril is he said first we put a little bit, then we put a little more. Just whatever it is you need. Cooking is not about being perfect. It's about putting love into things. And so anyone can do it. You don't have to be exceptional. You don't have to have any kind of level of skill. But if you don't know anything about love, cooking, put enough time into it, will help teach you about love. Oh yes. So, come on over here. And there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful Old Bay garlic, cayenne pepper crabs, beautiful Kerrygold lemon butter, ready to go. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. It's gonna be so good. I want to thank you guys again for watching. If you found value in this, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell, share it with your friends and family, and take care of one another. Until next time, respect and love. I'm Chef Bravo. I appreciate all of you guys.